Yoga kere ateker na Iteso kangunda litete ngokina. My name is Apolot Jane Doreen. I am a contestant for Miss Tourism Iteso from Soroti District. Soroti has been endowed with very many beautiful tourism sites, one of which our rock, locally known as Emoru Opiyai. I am a very proud Atesot from the clan of Ikarubwok. History has stated that my clan were the strongest. They were fierce men. There was security for the Iteso. That is why I proudly cherish my clan, the Ikarubwok. Thank you. Today, I want to tell you about my code of dressing. Being a proud Atesot, those days, women wore sheets, they wore wrappers, and beads on their head, on their necks, hands, and not forgetting the waist. The beads represented beauty, and any woman who wore beads was referred beautiful. I am so proud to wear beauty, a representation of beauty as an Atesot. Iteso has been endowed with very many beautiful Atesot ladies. They are strong, they are resilient, they love their families. Not forgetting they are beautiful. A story of the past. My grandparents used to tell me about their lives in the back. They respected their husbands. They loved community work. They related as a society. That's why Iteso are known as people who love themselves, people who are strong, people who are together. Thank you so much. I remain Apolot Jane Doreen, Emoru Opiyai, Yalam.